order to get the correct answer of this expression, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule, okay? Therefore, according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then exponent, then division. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then 3 plus 2, which equals 5, then 5 square, okay? Then 10 minus 2 times 5 square divided by 5. In this expression, there is subtraction, multiplication, exponent and division. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this exponent, okay? Exponent. Then here 5 square means which is 25. Therefore 5 square means which is 2 times 25 divided by 5. Then here 10 minus 2 times 25 divided by 5. In this expression also there is subtraction, multiplication and division. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right, okay? Therefore, this multiplication has higher priority. Therefore, 2 times 25, which is 15, okay? Then 10 minus 15 divided by 5. In this expression also there is one subtraction and one division. Therefore, this division has higher priority than this subtraction, because according to PEMDAS, division comes before subtraction. Therefore, 15 divided by 5, which equals 10, okay? Then 10 minus 10, which equals to 0. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 0.